Hi everybody, it's MDF Birds and the essentials for hand rearing. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I will be hand rearing some kakarikis in the next few days, so I'll start videoing them. This is the hand rearing food that I use. Got it on eBay. It's not too expensive. Right. You'll also need kitchen roll for wiping the board down, wiping your spoon. You'll need a hand rearing spoon. You can get these on eBay as well. Don't cheap, you can get 4 for like £3 or something. And a thermometer. I'll just use the one for testing the heat of meat and all that. Dead easy. Yeah, little measure and a mixing dish. And that's all that I use for my hand rearing. The hot water, I boil it and then mix it and test the temperature. Let it cool down till it's enough for to feed them, and then I feed them. So what I'll do, I will be doing another video of hand rearing some kakarikis. So if you hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications when I've put new videos up. And it's MDF Birds. I do kakarikis, budgies, zebra finches, conyas, plumhead parrots, and I have got a Turgazine cockbird that I'm after a hen for. Anyway, like I say, subscribe and find out more and see how I hand rear me birds. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.